Hello percussionists, and welcome to your second guided music practice video. In today's lesson we are going to be revising our flam accents, which is a drum rudiment. We are also going to be looking at what a dot does to a note in a dotted minim. We are also going to be learning our semiquavers. We've done this in Fortis, but let's make sure that we know how to count it and what it looks like. You'll be successful when you can play your semiquavers, a flam accent, and a dot next to a minim, so a dotted minim, in our music, and correctly count and play them with the beat. Remember, you always want to be nice and neat with your sticking. Let's get started. First of all, looking at exercise 82. Our flam accent is where we're going to start. So a flam accent combines a flam with two other single strokes, and the first flam is accented. For example, you'll go so I went right, left, so it was a left hand flam, right hand, left hand, or practice the two different types of flam accents now. So you will do starting with your left hand and starting with your right hand. Pause here. Now look at exercise 82. How many flam accents can you see? I can see 4. Hopefully you can also see 4. It's in the first 2 bars, and then in bar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and bar 7. So bars 1 and 2 and bars 6 and 7. Let's say the rhythm together from the start. Ready, and flam, left, right, flam, right, left, flam, rest, tar, tar, rest, rest, flam, left, right, flam, right, left, flam, rest, tar, tar, rest, rest. Back to the beginning. Flam, left, right, flam, right, left, flam, rest, tar, tar, rest, rest, flam, left, right, flam, right, left. Second time, flam, rest, tar, tar. Now let's see if we can go from the beginning, doing that together, nice and slowly. 3, 4, flam, left, right. Rest, rest, repeat. Rest, rest. Pause and play that 3 more times on your own. Each time you do it correctly, improve the speed, make it a little bit faster each time. Now let's do it one more time after you've done that. So pause it here. Now let's go one more time all together, faster. Flam, tar, tar, flam, tar, tar, rest, tar. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Pause and play that at least 2 more times on your own, faster. Now let's go down to exercise 83, Baccarat. See where it says a dot increases the length of a note by half its value. So you should know that a minim, or a 2-beat note, goes for 2 counts. If we add a dot next to it, we add half of the note. So a 2-count note plus half of 2, which is 1. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. So a dotted minim goes for 3 counts. And you'll notice that Baccarat is in 3/4 time. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and it's on a triangle. So we're just going to do stick clicks for now. Pretend you're hitting a triangle, which you're holding up here, and you're doing the triangle. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Pause here and practice the whole song on your own. Hopefully you can see that there's a nice pattern and that every single bar just goes for 3 counts. Now go down to exercise 84, where we can practice flam accents in 3/4 time. Let's go from the beginning of exercise 84 and say all of the rhythms. Ready? And flam, ta, ta, flam, ta, ta, flam, ta, ta, flam, ti, 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 flam, rest, ta, flam, rest, ta, flam, ta, ta, flam, rest, repeat, flam, ta, ta, flam, ta, ta, flam, ta, ta, flam, ti, 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 flam, rest, ta, flam, rest, ta, flam, ta, ta, flam, rest, rest. Go from the start, see if you can play it nice and slowly. Just the first 4 bars to start with. Ready, and. And do that again on your own. And now let's do it together. What did I do differently the first time to the second time? On the second time, I did a paradiddle where there was a TT. Make sure you do a paradiddle there. Let's go again from the start, one last time. Ready, and. Okay, now let's see if we can do the next 4 bars. Nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3. Press pause and play that 3 more times on your own. Now let's go the whole way through from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Do it 3 more times, repeat as well. Pause here. Now let's go from the beginning of exercise 85. You'll see that it says to place the tambourine, which we don't have, on a towel-covered stand or table and play the exercise with your fingertips. Because we don't have a tambourine, we're going to play the rhythm just on the edge of our practice pad with our fingers. So a semi-quaver is what we're learning here. A semi-quaver is a ticka-ticka, which you may have learnt in music. So what you need to do, 1 and 2e ender. And 2e ender is a semi-quaver if you look in the top box of 23. Say that with me. 1 and 2e ender. And again, ready, and 1 and 2e ender. And do that with your fingers, ready, and 1 and 2e ender. And again, 1 and 2e ender. Slower, 1 and 2e and a. And again, 1 and 2e and a. So semi-quavers go twice as fast as quavers. So if I have T, 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 how fast do you think semi-quavers have to go? Try it now. Semi-quavers will go ticka, 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 ticka. Tap the beat with me. Ready, and T, 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 T. Now say ticka, tickas. Ticka, 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 ticka. So let's say in exercise 85 that this is our beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to go rest. Ticka, ticka, rest. Ticka, ticka. And then you repeat that again. Rest. Ticka, ticka, rest. Ticka, ticka. If you were to do it with counting, it would go like this. Rest, 2, 2E and a rest, 4E and a rest, 2E and a rest, 4E and a. See if you can do the whole song with TTs and ticka-tickas and tars. With me from the start. Ready and rest, ticka-ticka rest, ticka-ticka rest, ticka-ticka rest, ticka-ticka ticka-ticka-tar, ticka-ticka-tar, T-T, ticka-ticka-tar, rest. Now see if you can do that with your fingers while saying it. Ready and rest, ticka-ticka rest, ticka-ticka rest, ticka-ticka rest, ticka-ticka ticka-ticka-tar, ticka-ticka-tar, T-T, ticka-ticka-tar. Press pause and practice that 3 times on your own. Now let's do it with the counting. So it's going to be rest, 2E and a rest, 4E and a. We'll do it with our fingertips as well. Ready and rest, 2E and a rest, 4E and a rest, 2E and a rest, 4E and a 1E and a 2, 3E and a 4, 1 and 2E and a 3, rest. Hopefully that wasn't too tricky, but let's go back and do it one more time all together, and then you can practice 3 times on your own. Together, ready and rest, ticka-ticka rest, ticka-ticka rest. Do that at least 3 more times, pausing here. Now look at exercise 86. In exercise 86, we are also practicing our semiquavers, but this time it's on the drum with our sticks. Say the rhythm first, all together. Remember that you have multiple bounce stroke rolls in bar 2. So it will go like this. 1, 2E and a buzz, buzz, T, T, ticka, 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 ta. Let's do it the whole way through with numbered counting first. Ready and ta. 1, 2E and a 1, 2, 1 and 2E and a 1E and a 2. Back to the beginning. 1, 2E and a 1, 2, 1 and 2E and a 1 and 2. Press pause and see if you can do it with the numbered counting the whole way through. Now let's do it with TTs and ticka-tickas. Ready and ta, ticka ticka buzz, buzz, T, ticka 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 ta. Back to the beginning. Ta, ticka ticka buzz, buzz, T, ticka ticka ta. Now let's say it with the ticka-tickas and tars and play it. Ready and ta, ticka ticka buzz, buzz, T, ticka 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 ta, ta, ticka ticka buzz, buzz, T, ticka ticka ta. And again, whole way through. Ready and ta. Now let's see if we can do all of the ticka-tickas with paradiddles from the start. Ready and go. Now let's see if we can do the whole thing with paradiddles. All of the ticka-tickas, paradiddle, paradiddle from the start. Ready and paradiddle. Paradiddle, paradiddle, ta. How did you go with the paradiddles? Hopefully they were okay. Now let's reflect on our flam accent. Explain out loud now what a flam accent is and how you play it. Now point to one in your book. And what is a dotted minim? Explain that out loud now. And how would you play a semiquaver? Let's say the beat was like this. Ta, ta. How would the semiquavers go? Say them out loud now. 3, 4. Ticka, 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 ticka. How did you go with all of those 3 things? Hopefully the answer is you went well. Let me know if you had any trouble or if you need any extra work. And make sure you send me those assignments. Keep up the good work and happy practicing.